Hey guys, welcome back again. So, in our last video, we have seen how to log in to your ZPanel account and how to install WordPress, right? So, I think there is one important point that I have missed in the last video. So, let me cover it in this video. So, we know that how. Hey guys, welcome back to Codesiddhi.space. In this video, we'll see how you can add packages to your hosting plan. See, as soon as you purchase your hosting, our team will allocate you credentials and you can just simply log into this dashboard. Under my accounts, you'll be able to get that credentials, right? So once you log in into that credentials, once you use those credentials and log in, you will see something like this. This is a screen to log in. Once you log in, the credentials you'll get it from here itself under my account. And once you log in, you will see the screen something like this, right? So let's say if you have a hosting plan, let's say you purchased a 10 GB plan. So if you scroll down here, you'll have this managed services. These are your active services. These are your new services that you can order. But we are more concerned about this one, managed services that has been allocated to us. So let's suppose we have purchased a 10 GB plan. So if I go to hosting, I can see there is no hosting packages available here. So you might get confused that saying that we have already purchased hosting, but it says that there is no packages available here. It is because we don't know which domain you want to connect your hosting package. That's the reason we give you an option to allocate your subscription to any domain name that you like, right? So that's the reason you see this particular screen. So plan subscription is active, but you need to assign a hosting and allocate a domain name to that, and that step you need to do it before you see the hosting package here. So how to do that? You simply need to go to add hosting or start migration. In the sense, you can bring any other website from any other servers, you can bring it here, but then we are more concerned about add hosting. Simply click on add hosting here. We are not purchasing any hosting, we have already purchased the hosting, we are just assigning the package. So here you need to enter the domain name that you want to connect with your server that you have purchased on Codesiddhi.space. So let's say if I have a domain called akeshpythondev.com. So if this particular domain name I own it, then obviously it will get connected. But if in case if I don't own it, or else let's say if I want to use the temporary URL that has been provided, that will be provided by Codesiddhi.space, still you can go ahead and type any random domain name here. Just make sure if you own it, or else it doesn't exist, right? And then under here select allowance option, you will be able to see startup 10 GB, because we have purchased the startup 10 GB. So that's the reason we are able to see. If in case if you have purchased 50 GB, then you will see 50 GB. So this is the domain that I wish to purchase in the future, or I have already purchased it, or else if you wish to purchase this particular domain in the future, still you will get a temporary URL from Codesiddhi.space itself that you can use. But anyways, I would suggest that if you already have purchased the domain name, type that domain name. If you wish to use this particular domain name in future, then type the domain name, right? So once you do that, and once you click on startup 10 GB, click on add hosting. Perfect. So now you will be able to see the package has been added. This is the primary domain name, and the plan that has been assigned, the package that has been assigned is startup 10 GB and US data center. And now if you click on this manage, we are inside this particular package. And this is, if you own the domain name, then you can visit this particular URL and see your website that has been that. Right now it is just the package that we have created, files are not there, so website will not be live obviously. But it says with the page cannot be reached, right? So DNS probe error, in the sense I don't own the domain yet. So in that case you can use the temporary URL that has been provided. Once you click this particular link, you will get your temporary URL. So anyways, now you can go ahead and scroll down here and install WordPress under this particular domain, right? So, or else you can use, if you click on this link, view temporary URL, this is a brand new URL. So this is the URL that has been provided by codesiddhi.space. Rakesh Python dev -.com com.us.stackstaging.com. So this is the temporary URL that has been provided. So using this particular URL as well, you can go ahead and start creating your website. Later on, once you purchase this particular domain name, then you can come back and connect to this particular hosting. So yeah, this is it. So as soon as you log in using the credentials, you will not be able to see the any package there. So you don't have to worry about it. You simply need to click on add hosting and enter your domain name and select your package and assign it, right? So connecting domain and hosting is the step that you need to take before you go ahead and start uh, you know installing WordPress and all those things, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.